Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how we are going to apply for apartment or house and in a way that you are actually getting some responses and you can find your apartment here in Germany. So for example, this is one of the main website and you need to find the apartment here. You simply need to go to the rent area and rent an apartment and click on all the results. Remember, if the language is not selected in English, you can select from this area. Once you are going to click here, all of the apartment will be visible for you. So for example, in this example, I already selected the Berlin and you can add any filter you want and click on the find button. Once all of the listing are there, you can simply check based on your budget and your requirement. So for example, I have opened this apartment listing where I'm going to apply. So before apply, you must need to do the following things, in which I actually write down all of the things in English and I have converted into the German language with the help of ChatGPT, or you can use your Google Translator, for example. What I need to do here is to select the name of the person here and paste here, hello, this person, guten Tag, and afterwards I'm going to select the property unique number from here and I'm going to mention there. Similarly, I'm going to choose the address from here and write it down here. So now my full message is ready. I'm just going to copy and here I'm going to select the send inquiry. I just need to fill this form. My first name, last name, my phone number, complete, and my email. Afterwards, you need to select based on your criteria. I'm going to select my own income and my income is more than 3,000 euros, for example. And here I'm going to paste all of my message here. At the moment I'm going to click on a submit button. It will take a bit of time and then afterwards is going to be give you a thank you note that you applied for this apartment, something like this.